May Kaiser Long-Term Care ka na ba? Kaiser Long-Term Care, also known as Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder Savings Plan, is an HMO savings plan which has a complete financial solution that answers our three major financial needs. Number 1, healthcare. Magagamit natin when we get sick. Hindi na natin problema yung pampa-ospital at cover tayo nito even when we retire, kung saan mas kailangan natin yung healthcare kasi dyan na naglalabasan yung mga health conditions. Number 2, life protection. In case something will happen to us unexpectedly, maaga tayo tinawag ni Lord, makaka-receive ang family ng life insurance money. This is crucial especially kung ikaw ay breadwinner. Hindi na problem ang mga gastusin, pamparal sa mga anak at magagamit din na makapag-start ng business to generate continuous income. Number 3, investment. Kapag blessed tayo ni Lord with long life, it's good news. Pero ang tanong ngayon, enough ba ang savings natin to support our needs when we retire? This will generate passive income sa ating retirement years. Ito yung panahon na hindi na tayo kumikita ng active income kaya kailangan natin mag-build ng passive income as early as we can para kahit na hindi na tayo nagtatrabaho ay pumapatak pa rin yung income. Time is precious and regret is always at the end. Take control of your future while you can. To know more, message mo lang ako para i-guide kita.